Hey y'all, today we're making banana bread cake. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. All right, so we are going to start by adding 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a third cup of vegetable oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to beat that on low until everything is smooth. And I do have my oven preheated to 350. All right, so in a separate bowl, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. I'm going to use 2 cups of sifted cake flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to use a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm going to take the whisk and mix everything together. I will have all the measurements in the description bar. So next I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet. I'm just going to put half of the flour mixture in, and then I'll beat that and then add the second half. All right, so next I'm going to take a spatula and just go around the sides to make sure there's no flour that's not mixed in. And then I'm going to fold in a 3/4 cup of crushed walnuts. And now I'm going to spray my pan with some Baker's Joy. I'm going to add my cake batter into the pan. I didn't do it on camera, but I'm just going to tap the pan a couple of times on the counter to make sure there are no air bubbles. And then again, the oven is preheated to 350. I'm going to bake this. It took about 35 minutes, or you can check until, when your toothpick comes out clean. So between 30 and 35 minutes. All right, so this is our cake. I'm gonna let it cool and then we're gonna work on our frosting. So you'll use 1 stick of unsalted room temperature butter, and then you'll add half a stick of softened cream cheese, a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, a cup of powdered sugar, and then 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. And I'm just gonna use the blender until peaks start to form. All right, so I'm gonna frost my cake and then I'm gonna add some more crushed walnuts on top. And this cake came out so good, y'all. I told you I was gonna start baking more, and I'm really excited that my recipes are coming out the way I like them. I used my Baker's Joy so nothing stick to the pan. But yeah, this was really, really good. If you guys, as always, try this recipe, let me know. Comment down below what your favorite cake is, and maybe I'll try to whip something up. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.